also know that about 1.5 million people in Illinois don't have any health insurance. And you've also heard this discussion that has been going on about Obamacare. It will be still a problem for about 20 million people in the country that will still not have any insurance, even after Obamacare comes into operation. So many years ago, we realized that there was a problem of healthcare in America. Several of the doctors in the community, mostly Muslim physicians, they got together and they started a program called Compassionate Care Network. And this Compassionate Care Network now has about 150 physicians and other providers, healthcare people, that are providing the services. And during Ramzan, we opened the enrollment for free. There is no fee for joining this network, and you can join the network by a simple application process. Normally, we would have a charge, which is also a very small charge, just about $10 a month for people to join the program. But during Ramzan, it is open for anybody who wants to join. Now, if you know of some people that don't have any health insurance within the community, and I'm sure that there are people that are like that for all of us, our parents, our loved ones who come from overseas, they don't have any doctors over here that they connect with. There are people that have diabetes and blood pressure problems and they need medications, and where do they go? They wind up to the emergency room for every little thing. And that is not a good way of getting taken care of in America. So the doctors that we have in this network are spread out. They're all private physicians. They have all private offices, and you can call them up and make an appointment and go to see them. They will charge only $25 per visit for their services to be a consultant for any problems that you may have. And we have primary care doctors, and we have also specialists in the network. And we also have some labs and imaging services, and we also have some pharmacies. But also you should know that there is a public program by which you can get a prescription filled at Walmart pharmacy, for instance, or at Kmart pharmacy for $4 for the whole month. All that you require is a generic prescription written up by a doctor. And if you have a doctor connection, then it's very easy. And you can go to the doctor and ask him for a prescription for, maybe it is for blood pressure or for chronic arthritis, whatever the problem may be. But that is what you require. And this is something that's a public program you should know that exists in Illinois. Now, the applications that we have are in the back there. And we will leave some of these applications over here also with the office. During Ramzan, by the end of this Ramzan season, if you can fill it up tonight and give it to us, fine. If you cannot fill it up tonight, then mail it to us before the end of this Ramzan month. And then inshallah, we will take care of you. We'll send you an ID card. And on that ID card will be the name of the physician that you can go to. There will also be a telephone number that you can call to make an appointment. We are always looking for some more physicians to join the network. So if you know some people in the community here that will speak the language and that will be identifying you with the culture that they come back from, our own cultures and all, it would be great. We do have a couple of doctors in this area, but I think we can always use some more. So please talk to your friends, talk to your doctors if you already have some doctor connections. Let them know that we can be of more service by becoming part of this network. Again, Dr. Zalul is here. Thank you very much, Dr. Zalul. And Brother Hassan, thank you very much for allowing us to make this presentation. Assalamu alaikum.